Today I will introduce our HTBZ-H automatic electric AC/DC motor test bench. There are no-load test and load test, which are the two main methods to evaluate the performance of the motor. There is a motor test bench, which can test the motor up to 10 kV and 8,000 kV. The test system can test the functions of high voltage and low voltage, three-phase asynchronous motors and DC motors, and is used to test the voltage, current, power, frequency, speed, vibration, temperature, and other values of the motor on no load. It is equipped with a separate DC power supply that can test both AC and DC motors at the same time. Here introduce each part of the system for you. This is test bench, and this is temperature meter, off-circuit tap changer, digital power meter. This is vibration tester and speed meter. The red cabinet is GCD, low voltage control cabinet, power cabinet, inverter cabinet, filter cabinet, and low voltage power metering cabinet. The blue cabinet is high voltage cabinet, high voltage motor metering cabinet, and high voltage PT cabinet. This is dual channel bidirectional DC test power supply. There is a three-phase insulation transformer, and there are three junction cabinets, one DC motor junction cabinet, one high voltage motor junction cabinet, and one low voltage junction cabinet. If there are any related requirements of motor test bench, feel free to contact us and we will customize the solution for you.